Every financial application asks people to surrender data to earn trust. With ForgePass, the institution asks a better question. Can you prove your quality? Okay, let's start the judge mode. The computer private score. So let's new and ultra unproven step to finish. The private value and scores disappears and lands on reputation verified, privacy preserved, and private value. So this is it. Let's view it in live Stellar Expert Textanet Explorer, and this is the private credential, the credential link. Let's view it. The Stellar verification record network ledger proof committed, nullifier, verifier, and registry contracts. Note that this is it. The reputation, the balance requirement, the activity, everything remains private, and this is the Explorer, the live transaction on Stellar Textanet Explorer. So this is it. It has been confirmed, and that is ForgePass. Today, show me your data. Tomorrow, prove your quality. Reputation verified. Privacy preserved. Forge trust. Review nothing. And that is ForgePass. Thank you for watching.